Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Chak with Knowledge. This is the only channel where you get all the important updates about bank and banking. So friends, today's video is for bank retirees on pension revision matter. If you want to know all the updates, then don't skip the video and watch it till the end. Let's start the video. AIBRAF wrote letter to IBA. Letter date is 3rd of June and you can see the subject of this letter. Letter is showing on the screen. The subject of the letter is submission of report on updation of pension to Honorable Supreme Court of India. Submission of recommendation for updation of pension to Ministry of Finance. First of all, Retirees Union has given old reference on this matter. Now, IBA called UFBU for medical insurance scheme and residual issues discussion including pension on 8th of June 2022, which we already informed to our viewers. Union said that forming new committee will not serve the purpose as already committee formed by IBA in past. IBA has to submit report on pension revision as per Supreme Court order. Previous hearing on matter was on 22/4/2022 and now extended to 15/7/2022. But Union is not aware despite various communication whether report as per Supreme Court requirements submitted or not, as no reply from IBA and no clear-cut reply from other sources. MLA, MPs and banks also said from time to time about retirees' pension matter in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and various meetings. Even Finance Minister of India said, "I want bank employees to be given their due. A lot of pensioners are waiting for a very long time. Yesterday I had a meeting with Rajkiran Ral of IBA. I spoke to him too. We need bank employees to be attended to, particularly their families and the pensions of retired employees." Committee also expressed serious concern as this matter is pending since 30 years. But IBA disobeyed Finance Minister and nothing done. It's a matter of surprise. Initially, pension revision was denied for RBI, but pension revision executed in Reserve Bank of India and all public sector banks, retirees' pension revision is still not done. Moreover, salary of bank employees revised many times, but as pension not revised, hence person who retired from bank as general manager is getting less pension compared to salary that bank clerk and sub-staff getting at present. IBA is misguiding government that rupees 95,000 per annum required for pension revision. However, truth is totally different as pension revision will require 6,000 to 7,000 crore per annum only. But IBA must send recommendation for revision of bank retirees' pension. Few points mentioned. Let's see. Point number 1 is Honorable Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman public statement to press and instruction to IBA and banks in the IBA's 73rd annual general body meeting to revise the pension of retired bank employees. Point number 2 is Honorable Minister of State for Finance in the Lok Sabha as stated in his reply in Lok Sabha that request for revision and improvement in pension are considered by the government after any proposal or recommendation of IBA. Number 3 is representatives of Ministry of Finance submitted before the Committee on Government assurance that government doesn't pay for the pension of bank pensioners and are required to provide for their pension from their pension fund maintained from their own sources. Next point is representatives of Union Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank and Indian Bank submitted before the committee formed by Rajya Sabha on government assurance admitting that pension of pensioners is not revised since 30 years. Next point is recommendation of the committee in its report submitted before the parliament that banks may be asked to update or revise the pension of all bank pensioners. Next point is The pension of pensioner of Reserve Bank of India is revised by Ministry of Finance wide their office order F number 11/5/2022 IR dated 5/3/2019. And the last point is the pension regulations of public sector banks are bedrock same with Reserve Bank of India pension regulations. We conclude with the submission that your father is also a retiree of Central Bank of India like all other retirees who are discriminated, maltreated and harassed by IBA since last 3 decades, and more than 2 lakhs have gone heavenly abroad in search of justice. In view of above, we urge upon you to kindly treat all the living retirees like your father and see to it that their long pending due entitlements of updation of pension in the right perspective WEF 1/3/2019 with measure of 100% de-annualization for pre-2002 retirees on the same lines as granted to Reserve Bank of India pensioner be given to them soon. Kindly also do away with all the discriminatory laws and provision in the best interest of your father and all pensioners considering their age plus 65 to plus 100 years and revisit or amend if required the entire bank pension regulations 1995 and also grant any further relief like free medical insurance policy premium as may be deemed fit and appropriate which are illegally stopped by your successors are honorably given to them at least now so as to bring an end to the era of their continued miseries, torture and sufferings once for all. We wish your father a very happy, healthy and long life. Kindly confirm having sent your favorable recommendation to Ministry of Finance and favorable report to Supreme Court of India at the earliest. So friends, this was the video for bank retirees on pension revision matters. Please share the video as much as you can, and if you want more important video like this then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell for the update of our new videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you.